Hi Mom, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in our October morning basket. So this year I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a morning basket slash cart, and each tier will be a different week. And I'll be doing a couple different themes during this October season. The themes that I'll be covering will be gardening slash pumpkins. Then topic number 2, I'm gonna be basing it off my personal favorite. We're gonna be watching October Sky, and then we're gonna be doing a space slash rocket themed week. And last but not least, we're gonna be doing a Halloween theme. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for the pumpkin themed basket, to start off, I got all these free resources and printables online. I'll go ahead and link it down below in case you're interested. So since I have 3 kids, when I do the read alouds, I got 3 little pumpkins. They're like $1.50 I got at Stater Brothers. I do want to get bigger pumpkins later on, but I want to get them from actual pumpkin patches. So we'll go ahead and do that sometime after we read these pumpkin books. I got these cute little pumpkin ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and there's 8 of them. I also have a different assortment of these, like pumpkins, and I love this Harvest Little Blessings. And let's get to the books. So we have a variety of different sizes and books that we got. Some of them are our own and that we've used, over the years that we love. And then we got some new ones at the library. So if you don't have all these books yourself, utilize your local library. But let's go ahead and get to what we have. We got this I Pick Fall Pumpkins. It's just a really cute book for my daughter who's in kindergarten where we can read along together. Story of a Garden. It's called Pumpkin Circle. It talks about the life cycle of the pumpkin. I thought this would be cute to do with the pumpkin crafts. And it'll fall into our science category as well. This is our tried and true family fun little tradition. We like to read and then watch spookily. If you're familiar with it, it's a very cute, wholesome pumpkin story about a pumpkin who doesn't fit in, but he finds his calling, how he saves the whole pumpkin patch. I thought it fell really nicely in the fall theme. It's called The Secret Fawn. It has some great pictures. And then she also liked this book, and so I thought we can tie it in with some weather books as well into this beginning pumpkin garden week, and then we can tie it in how weather affects the pumpkins as well. So it's just a gray with some pops of color. 100 things you should know about weather. What more perfect time to learn about weather with the fall, seeing this changing. And to go back to gardening, amazing life cycle of plants. And this has some really cute illustrations that we'll go ahead and go over as we are doing our crafts in the morning in the garden. It's an interactive book, so you can see the great pictures, and then you can flip up some these little hidden messages and inserts. Some read aloud called Julie B. First Grade Boo, and I mean it. And then this is my personal favorite called James and the Giant Peach, and we're gonna go ahead and read this every night between my son and I. He's a very fast reader. He reads about a chapter book within every 1 or 2 days. So we'll definitely finish these chapter books for that week. And let's go ahead into topic number 2, October Skies rocket theme. So topic number 2, we're gonna be doing October Skies. That movie was introduced to me by my brother, who at the time he was in high school. He absolutely loved rockets and launching them at the park every week, and it was really fun to see him do that when I was younger. And I always found this movie so inspiring and motivating, and it really shows the power of knowing math and science. And I think that this is a really great time to introduce it to my son who's in 3rd grade, and he absolutely loves math and science, and I thought this would be a great book to show him what he can potentially learn as he, goes on his homeschool journey. Okay, so for October Skies, I thought it would be cute to read Everyday Chemistry, but it's geared to females in STEM. I got this Go for Liftoff. This is more of a science book with a lot of different topics and interesting things that have to do with satellites and rockets and the control system. I love this Snoopy book. I've read this to my son since he was very young. It's featuring space travel and really engages the kids, asks some interesting questions to think about, and has some funny jokes. I also have The Lives of Scientists, and it just features many different scientists throughout history, so I'll probably read a couple every night or day. It's an amazing book to go ahead and get my kids started on reading about scientists. And another book I love is Buzz Aldrin to the Moon and Back. And it's a pop-up book. They have some really cute pop-ups. I absolutely love this book. This will be so fun for all my kids. Space Explorer's Rocket. You wouldn't want to live without a satellite. Now, isn't that true? It talks about the communication of satellites and what's their role in society and how it impacts us. So my first book about space, and then I have Mission to Space. My son found this book at the library. He wanted to read. This is how to read. Oh, my daughter and my son found this, and they wanted to learn about how to read Scratch computer code. I thought this would be good. It's called Stolen Science. I thought that this would be a really great time to start talking about these things of what we learn and how they play a role in our life. And then last but not least, I got this, A Guide to Navigation for Young Adventurers, How to Go Anywhere and Not Get Lost. I mean, it's a really great book and read and tells you like finding players. And I mean, like, nowadays, I'm guilty of it. I can't go anywhere without a GPS. I grew up in the MapQuest time where I'd print out the directions and be able to find my way anywhere. So the last week will be for Halloween. I want that to be a very light morning basket because I want our kids to be able to really experience Halloween, the community events, trick-or-treating. We'll probably go like do at the zoo. So I'm really excited to do some of those activities. And of course, we're gonna visit pumpkin patches and you know, all the free events I can find. So I really want to focus on that. I have some of these from the Dollar Tree, foam little cutouts, and we're gonna glue and paste some of these. And this one comes 6 in a pack. I got a variety of them. I got, this one's a bat one. I got some of these owls for painting. Daughter loves these little boxes from the Dollar Tree. And my kids will each have their own activity books. And these are really cute to keep them busy when we're on the road, traveling, or sometimes if I'm doing dishes and I just, you know, don't want them to be on the phone or chasing each other or whatnot. They will have these little activities to do on their own. And then I also went to Target and I got these mini activity books, and they're all the same but just different covers. And so they'll do their own activities, play tic-tac-toe. My kids love that game. And it's a fun way to keep them busy and engaged if we're traveling. We also got a variety of different cards. My kids will write letters to their pen pals. And now for our trick-or-treat basket, I thought it would be cute to also include activities like these trick-or-treat little critter, some classics, Runaway Mummy, Splat the Cat. And then I thought it'd be really cute to incorporate pirates, but these are fun pirates. Are pirates polite? And it says, yes, pirates always say, excuse me, thank you, and please. We got this pirate book. I love these interactive books. You can open them up and they have like little letters here you can pull out and read. Some of them have like little flaps, like inserts and stuff you can read right here. It's called The Only Thing Worse Than Witches. I'll take one amazing apprentice to help this witch in training. It seems like a really cute book to read. So I hope you found these links and resources helpful to create your amazing October morning basket. I'll link everything down below. And if you haven't already, join our community by liking and subscribing. And I hope I'll be seeing you shortly in our next video.
Mommy, giraffe.
Giraffe.